Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to make a local account with Windows 10. We go to Start, Setting, Account, and here you click Family and Other Users. Add someone else to this PC. Here the Windows gonna ask you about your account. So if you don't have an account, you don't need to put any account. Even if you have, you will just make a local account in your computer. You don't need any online work. So we click here. I don't have this person's sign-in information. We click now add a user without a Microsoft account. Here we write the name of the account that we want to create it. For example, user 2. If you want to put a password, you just create here your password. For example, re-enter the password again, the same password. Okay, so if you forget the password, so you need to put the security question. You can choose any one you want. For example, we choose this. What's the name of the city where you were born? We write, for example, New York. It will say for you to make another question. I don't know, this is just an example, okay? You put anything you want. Just don't forget it. Next. And okay, now we have a new account. If you want to change the account type, for example, administrator or not administrator or just local account, you click in here, change account type. And here you click, if you want to put it administrator, just put administrator and click OK. If you want it just standard user, make it standard user and click OK. And that's it. I hope that I give help for some people who always ask about this. Don't forget to subscribe in our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.